Last year I bought another car from Japan. It's something that I do sometimes. And originally we bought this car so that we could go over to Japan and then drive it. But that didn't happen because of the state of the world. So it was brought to Australia. I thought it would be totally illegal. And actually these cars have been illegal up until now,
They
right?
have, and I got a call recently saying the car is in the country. We did all the customs clearance stuff. We did all the paperwork, sent all that away, and then never heard anything for ages, ages and ages. And finally the other day I rang up and said, there's supposed to be a car coming, but it's not here. And they said, oh, we'll have a look in our yard. And then it turns out that they just couldn't see it.
Yeah,
it was actually in the yard. It was in the country, sitting behind another vehicle, and they couldn't see it, so they didn't know it was there.
Yeah. Oh, now all I can say is there's a new player in town, boys. There's a new player in town. It's Marty has held the crown of this category of cars.
And I still will forever.
Until right now.
Well, no.
Because in the coming minutes, something's going to roll in here that's going to change the face of this show forever. Something that Marty was able to, there was no competitors.
I was conquering the category for sure.
Yeah, but that's about to change.
No, well,
because what you're about to see is going to blow your minuscule wormhole wide open.
Yeah.
And even if it's not blown that far, we will still fit in.
And we're filming this because I got a call about 10 minutes ago saying, hey, I'm just around the corner and I'm going to drive it in. And it's been about 20 minutes and it's still not here.
Yeah,
so that means it's either broken or the guy's lost.
Yes.
But this is directly from overseas.
Unless he lost the car again.
Well, that could easily happen.
He may have. Now, apparently, I'll give you one little tidbit of information. Apparently, the wheels are worth more than the car.
Yeah.
So similar to your Mira story.
Been there.
So that is similar. But this will be my first time where I will actually be in a competitive position to try and battle Marty.
Not competitive.
With his category.
You can try and battle, but you won't be competitive. You'll just be there.
Wow.
You'll just be there on the day, like just hanging out. Hey, I brought my thing that's not as fast or as good or as whatever as yours. And I'll be like, yeah, that's true. Hey, man, want to hang out? Go get a burger?
I guarantee you right now it's better and faster.
It's definitely not.
And the people, look,
it's not.
There's no use talking shit until we actually do it because that's just a waste of time.
Well, when it gets here, which who knows when that could be,
comments for each other.
We might be completely bald and grey by the time it gets here, or it could be in the next minute.
But we're already bald and grey.
Well, that's true.
So nothing's changing.
No, except the car will be here. Hurry up. I'm going to call him.
Yeah, can you call him and just say, where are you?
I'm going to call him.
Anyway,
he said he was just around the corner.
I've always wanted one of these cars, and I have driven one once before, but obviously never in Australia because they don't exist because they've been illegal until right now. And so I'm pretty excited to actually finally get my hands on one. And we've still got to go through the compliance and legalising process.
Maybe he's taken it.
The car is so good, he's flogged it.
I reckon it's...
He's legit gone, you know what? I've never seen one of these in the country before. And have you ever seen one of these cars in Australia?
No. He said, I'm parked out the front and I'll bring it up the driveway.
Okay.
Except he's not.
No, not happening.
Well, anyway, that was the shortest car reveal ever. I guess we're doing something else then.
I was about to show you how I had the only one of these cars in the country, and now it doesn't.
I'm pretty sure there's other ones of these in the country, but yours will be the coolest.
Mine will be mine.
And the slowest compared to my car.
Whoa!
It's here. It's here. Oh my gosh.
Wow, okay, it's totally... Oh, wait on, someone's flogged the wheel off the front of it.
Oh, they have too. Did it have one on the front of it?
Yeah, it did have one on the... And like I said,
was it a set of 5?
Yes.
That's so cheeky.
Unless it's in the back or something like that.
Maybe.
He can come right in. Everybody, here it is. This is my all-new project car, new to the category.
Oh my God.
That is unreal. Bring it all the way in, please, mate.
Thanks.
All the way in.
Yeah,
all the way in. Let's go.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
I bought a midget.
It's going to be fit here?
Yeah,
that'll fit.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, yes. It's in the back.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks, man.
Look at that. It's so good.
Awesome. You can turn it off.
That is unreal.
Thanks, man.
Guys, when I saw this car in the park, I was...
Pretty stoked.
I want to do this.
Yeah, you should get one.
Oh my gosh.
Mad, eh?
What do you think?
Man, it's very good.
Single seat is manual and 2-seat is auto. So I want to drive this on the truck because he's got a little truck that I'm about to destroy with my little truck.
I'm going to eat.
And
win.
so
I'll win.
I wanted to get a manual one so at the racetrack I can beat everyone.
So you can lose. Yeah, he's going to go slower than me.
It's going to be good.
Anyway, thanks
Anyway,
heaps, bro.
thank you very much for bringing it over.
Thank you,
Thanks,
guys.
man.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too, guys.
See you, man.
This one is non-turbo for now, and believe it or not, this one here is road legal in Australia due to the laws changing and due to the ages, so because of the 25-year rule. Now, up here, I'll have to use my Google Translate and see what this says, but I gather that's probably going to say there's something wrong with your car. Do you reckon, Martin?
Probably. Let's have a look.
Let's have a... Anyway, I'll get my Google Translate out and I'll see what my note says.
Oh, God.
What?
That's bad.
Radiation dose measured. Do you reckon this car was bought from somewhere where there was radiation?
Your car's radioactive.
Okay.
That
Well-
would have been a good thing to write on the freaking thing.
I mean, it just
I
says
just sat
that
in it
it's-
first. Now I'm going to get ball cancer.
I'm glad you sat in it first, Martin, because you've soaked up any of the radiation.
Sure I have.
Now, these
Do I have
cars
two
do
heads?
come as a couple of options. You can get a manual one-seater, which is what I have here.
and now you're radioactive.
And this one here does have a couple of little modifications. That thing there is just for kind of driving on the highways and things like that. This here, I wish that was a boost gauge, but it's not. In Japan, people always put these big things on there. That is, I've never really seen anything like it. I did drive one of these cars in New Zealand once and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. Now this really is the strangest vehicle I've probably ever driven. There's a bunch of kids laughing at me right now as they're rolling the streets, having a massive laugh at me, and you know, it's somewhat embarrassing. But what a mad little beast, the midget. If you click up there, you can watch the video of me driving it. And always wanted one, but they were illegal. And now they're not. I don't think this one has air conditioning. I don't think it has anything, actually. I think it's just a, is it 4-speed?
What's
Is
that
it
thing down to your left
5-speed?
foot? Is that aircon to your left foot?
That is a cooler volume. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, I don't know. I mean, these are the things we're going to have to work out. It's still got some of the kind of accessory
What a
ports
funny
here.
ute, man.
It's just a mad little ute.
It really is.
And why did I buy it? Because Marty thought he was, I'm Mr. Mini Truck. No. Now he's Mrs. Mini Truck. And I'm Mr. Mini Truck.
I'm Granddaddy Mini Truck.
See? I don't know what the payload is. I mean, look, we're gonna be doing a side-by-side comparison of the K Truck and the Midget. They're gonna be doing a series of different truck-related challenges. It is way smaller than I thought. Do you reckon it's lowered?
Yeah, I reckon.
Because it is
Look how light it is,
absolutely
dude.
tiny. Careful, man, you're breaking it. You're breaking
I'm
stuff.
not breaking stuff.
Look at it go.
It's so small.
Far out. It's like a
midget's
trampoline,
rocking.
isn't it? Well,
Fantastic.
Martin, let's just pop the bit so we can
stuck
have a
in the
look
back of it.
inside. Let's work out how we do
I
that.
don't know if you... Isn't there a motor under it?
Like under the seat, maybe.
Yeah, it's here, dude. It's like a K truck.
Is it?
It's all underneath,
Like a K truck, except better
except slower
and better
and slower.
and better. Just looks better and just is generally cooler.
Well done, mate. You should be...
Ashamed of myself.
No, it's probably under the seat, yeah. Usually lift it from the
What
front.
are these bits, do you reckon?
Oh, they go here. It's body kit
Oh,
stuff.
is that body kit? That's not
Yeah, it goes
factory,
there.
is it? Oh, that's going to be awesome.
Whatever, like
Anyway,
that.
we'll fix that up later. We got that. I'm so glad someone didn't steal my mad wheels. How does this do, Martin, do you reckon?
Don't know. Usually you fold the top down first, then flip it up.
What's that? That thing fold up. There we go. There we go. Look in there, Martin.
Cool.
What a mess.
It's pretty gross. Plenty of room for a turbo.
These are not all-wheel drive, though, are they?
Nope. Turbo will be sick though. I reckon it's got aircon too, by the way.
You
The
reckon?
aircon pipe. See the aircon pipe?
Oh, yeah, here. Anyway, all the things for us to work out when we go for a drive.
Dude, let's get it regoed. We've got to get it regoed so we can drive it.
That's a bit of a process.
Let's do that first.
Oh, dude, you broke my gauges when you were jumping up and down on it.
No, I didn't. The truck mirrors. Fantastic.
POV used Daihatsu Midget.
Full of radiation.
So that's my new car, the Daihatsu Midget 2, and I can't wait to get it working so I can thrash Marty's K-Truck with it. Next time on Mighty Car Mods, the little midget has more surprises for us, both good and bad. But we're not going to stop until this thing is running exactly as it should. We've also got these brand new Mighty Car Mods chopped duffel bags available right now with worldwide shipping. Grab yours from mightycarmods.com and see you next episode.